Once upon a time in New York City, there was a small bakery owned by a kind-hearted man, Sam. Sam was known for his delicious pastries and warm smile. But more than that, he was known for his generosity. He had a golden rule. No one leave my bakery hungry. One cold winter evening, a shabbily dressed boy named Timmy entered the bakery. He had been selling newspaper all the day, but had not sold a single one that day. His stomach growled, but his pockets were empty. Seeing the boy's plight, Sam offered him a warm loaf of bread and a cup of hot milk, refusing to accept any payment. Timmy was overwhelmed by Sam's kindness. He promised to repay him someday, to which Sam simply smiled and said, "Help someone in need when you can. That will be repayment enough." Years passed, and Timmy grew up to become a successful journalist. He never forgot Sam's kindness and often visited the bakery. One day, he found out that the bakery was on the brink of closure due to a financial crisis. Remembering his promise, Timmy wrote a heartwarming article about Sam's bakery and his act of kindness. The article went viral overnight. People from all over the city flocked to the bakery, eager to taste Sam's pastries and support his business. The bakery was saved and Sam's kindness was rewarded. The story of Sam and Timmy teaches us that helping others is indeed a blessing. It's not only bring joy to those who help, but often come back to us in unexpected and beautiful ways.